Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript ES6 tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Use destructuring assignments with the rest parameter to reassign array elements. So in this exercise, we're going to combine destructuring with the rest element parameter. And it's going to similar, what it's going to do is a similar feature as array.prototype that slice where you slice an array up in different parts. So for this example, we have this array here and we'll count A and B. So A and B will get the 1 and 2, and then we have the rest parameter. We'll get the rest of these together, and it'll be equal to R. So for this example, it wants us to use destructuring assignment with the rest parameter to perform an effective array.prototype.slice so that R is a subarray of the original source with the first 2 elements omitted. Great. So we have this. It takes in a parameter, and this parameter is an array. So what we can do is that we need to remove the first 2. So what we can do is put them in separate variables, and we can do A, B. So that will get the first 2, and then we do get the rest of the array. So we do ... R to get the rest of it, and we return R. We'll get just the remaining parts of the array, and that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.